1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like, and I probably gotta just fix the bottom to keep it flat. Is white, and then this is black, so that's one of them. This is chestnut, and this is my cranberry craze. I am so excited. This new launch is gonna be amazing. Again, hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today for you, I have an unboxing. This is the Puluz 25 centimeter foldable LED ring light studio box. This is good for anyone who has a business like I do. You guys know I have a cosmetics business. I sell lip gloss. I also sell custom clothing, head wraps, hair accessories for natural hair, and so much more. But I specifically bought this for my cosmetics so that I could take better pictures, have better quality images for my website. So I've never tried one of these before, so I decided to try it. Now I got this from Amazon, and all the links will be in the description box. If you purchase this and click on my link, I'll get a little commission, so I really appreciate that. If you would hook me up, if you find value in this video and decide you want to get one for your business, click the link in the description. So this says it comes with 12 color backgrounds, high CRI color temperature, foldable and portable, which is very good. So if you have shoots to do that are not in your home or your office or whatever, you can take this with you. It's very lightweight because everything is in this box, and as you can see, there's different colors here of the background. So let's get into the unboxing. I'll be doing a separate video on how to use this because I have my website, which is relaunching on February the 2nd, my lip glosses and everything else. Let me give you a little sneak peek.
To them thy name, and will declare it.
My audio Bible,
and I in them.
Gotta love Jesus. Here are my lip glosses. I have some new colors coming out. I just wanted to show you really quickly. This is some of my Princess Pink in the wand tubes, and the squeeze tubes. This is chestnut, and this is my cranberry craze. I am so excited. This new launch is going to be amazing. Again, it's February the 2nd. Talk about this a little bit later, but this is the reason why I bought this, so that I could take awesome photographs of my lip gloss. I really hope that this lives up to what it said, because I'm gonna let you know if it doesn't. I'll do a separate video on how I use this. So we're gonna unbox it. First of all, you can open it up, and this is what it says. Puluz foldable LED ring light studio 12 color backdrops, which is what I need because you never know what colors you're going to need for a background. Of course, you can always add some, but look at that. It comes in this nice little bag, so it's portable. If you don't want to take the box with you, you can just put everything in this bag, so that is perfect. Oh, okay, so the backdrops are right here. I dropped some papers. I think that's like the information about it, but these are the backdrops. They come folded. And this is actually the studio, the Lightbox that's folded, and I'm gonna unfold it in a while. I just wanna go through some of the colors. So they say it comes with 12 colors. So it's 6, but each has 2 colors on it. For example, this is white, and then this is black, so that's one of them. This one right here is pink, which I love, and this is gray. This is like a lavender, and this looks like purple, a dark purple or indigo. I don't know my colors that well. And this is brown and green. I am so excited. This looks like a lighter pink, or maybe the other one wasn't pink. Red. And this is yellow, and this looks like another, I don't know what color it is. It looks like peach or some type of a neutral color, or a light orange, something like that. So it's 12 colors in total. It comes with this here. I forgot. Let's see. This is the paper that fell on the floor. It's this is called a soft cloth. I'm guessing that this is to soften the light. If you don't want the light to be so hard, so bright, this will soften it. And yeah, because it says right here, the package list right here, you can see the Lightbox main studio box, 12 color backgrounds, soft light, and carry bag. So you saw all of that. So this is the Lightbox, and we're gonna just open it up. You see the name of it, Puluz. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Photo Lightbox. And that's the inside. So it looks like aluminum inside. And this is the cord, the AC adapter. Now with this, you need to this is what it's looking like. You're gonna need to have an adapter if you need to use it in your wall. If you already have something to plug it into, the AC adapter, then I think that's what it's called. No, I'm not saying the right thing. Okay, so this is the USB. I don't know all that technical stuff. So this is the USB cord, and you're gonna need a USB adapter if you wanna put it into an outlet, or some people already have those already in their outlets. I do, but I don't have them all around. So most likely I'm just gonna use the adapter from my cell phone to plug it into an outlet. So I just thought that you would need to know. Now for the power switch, I don't know why I'm not ready. The power switch, it has different brightness, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 is for the brightness, 2 is single/dual ring LED switch, 3 is brightness, and 4 on and off. So it's all here. Sometimes I get lazy and I don't want to read. I'm more of a hands-on learner, so I always skip all of this and just try to figure it out by actually doing it. That's how I learn. It comes foldable. As you see, this is the top part, the part right here, and you see the light under there. And then you're gonna need to I think I need to pull, there's a hole like in the back right here to pull this cord out, because obviously you don't want this inside. When you're taking your pictures, you want nothing but your product inside of the box so you can take your picture. So yeah, you just have to pull that out the back. So now you take this on the bottom. Guys, I opened this up before and shot a video before and it came out horrible. So I'm glad I did, because now I can actually show you, because I know what goes where. I didn't even know this was down here. So that's why you're gonna watch this video to help you when you get yours. So you take this and you push it up. That holds the box open. I had so much trouble figuring that out when I tried to do it the first time. So that's gonna hold that box open, and in the back there's an elastic right here. That's gonna hold your background drops and stuff. And then there's a little, you're not gonna be able to see it, but right here, there's a clear little piece that will hold the bottom part of your backdrop. I had to figure that out. Okay, so I'm gonna light this up so that you can see the different light settings. So I'm gonna use my USB adapter for my phone. I'll show you. This is my cell phone charger adapter. So I'm just gonna plug that in here so that I could be able to plug it into an outlet. If you don't need to do that, then you don't need to do that. But that's what I'm using now, and I'm gonna plug it all the way over there. Okay, so it's plugged in. I'm gonna just push the power strip so that you can see the different light settings, how high it can go and how low it can go. That's on and off. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think that's it, 6. You can keep going. It seems like it's getting brighter and brighter. So yeah, and then turn off like that. I'm gonna put it on like one setting just so you can see. I'm just going to put the lighting on and then use some of my products so that you can kind of get an idea of what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm just going to use one of the backdrops. I put the lighting on the highest setting. I might turn it down. Looks like it's a little too high. So I'm going to put one of these in here. I'll put it on purple. I think it's a little too high, the lighting. Put it on purple. Like I'm trying to get it under that tab that's underneath. Yeah. So you do it like that. Oh, sorry, the plug came out. Hold on. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. And I probably gotta just fix the bottom to keep it flat. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. So yeah, and then up here, you can use that soft light thing that I was telling you about, this thing here. And I think you just put it up here or something like that. I'm not too sure, so I will do a separate video showing you how I use this because I don't know how to use it yet. I haven't used it, but I was just trying to give you an idea of what the products look like. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful for any of you business owners who may need this. This comes in different sizes. Again, mine is the 25 centimeters, so I think it's 12 by 12. So it's pretty small. There are bigger ones, and I think there might be a smaller one than this. I'm not sure if this might be the smallest size. But all the links will be in the description. Again, I got this on Amazon. Use my link in the description. Help me get a small commission. I would really, really appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram at Kharyzma For You Style, where you can see more of my fashion, my reels, all of that good stuff concerning my fashion and stuff like that. Hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle on my Kharyzma For You Style, and then my Kharyzma For You Fashion. Check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for my lip gloss and other cosmetics, as well as my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou. Again, my website will be relaunching on February the 2nd with new products and everything like that. It's going to remain open until then, but the new products will not be available until February 2nd. So those of you who are shopping with me, thank you so much. Thank you for everyone who has shopped with me before. And if you haven't shopped with me yet, what are you doing? Check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com. I love you all. Thank you guys for watching.